Interpolation search is a kind of search which is performed on a sorted list. I am already having a sorted list. Like we perform binary search. Binary search क्या करती है? It breaks your list into two halves. Either it searches in the right half or it searches in the left half. Then it will again break. Either it will search in the left or the right and so on. That is why the searching is taking log n time. Now, interpolation search tries to even reduce that time. What it tries to do is, like we are saying that if I want to search a contact, supposedly I want to search a name, Lakshita, which is showing first on my screen. If I want, or maybe Lakshita is coming in between, so sorry. So I'll have to take an example which gives me a better understanding of the subject. Another name that is visible on my screen is Dipali. So supposedly I want to search for a name Dipali. I will not be searching from the middle of the list. No, since D is coming in very beginning, so the entire list is there. Assuming, I'm again saying assuming that there is a distributed list of sorted array. Distributed list है. मतलब assuming कि छोटे elements यहाँ पे हैं, बड़े elements यहाँ पे हैं. I am assuming in that case, if it is a evenly distributed list of sorted elements, then I will have to only need to search in the very beginning. I need not search in later on. How can I do that? That is how we learn in the interpolation search. For that, we have a formula. The division is going to happen with the key. How are we going to calculate that key? That is how interpolation search happens, or the middle with which we are going to break our particular list. So mid is calculated as low plus or beginning, whatever you are saying, plus high minus low multiplied by, please see what am I trying to do here, multiplied by key minus the, I'm checking with the lowest element here. A of low, A is the array. I'll give you an example what I'm trying to do over here. Divided by A of high minus A of low. This is what I'm multiplying this all with. This will give me the position of mid. What do I mean by this? Let me try to give you an example. और mid calculate करने के बाद again वो ये I break from beginning to mid and from mid plus 1 to the, again I am doing the same thing. So let me take an example. Supposedly I am having an example 4, 15, 20, 35, 45, 55, 60. It is a sorted list and almost evenly sorted list. So it is again beginning from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I am having the low. In this case, my low is, if initially I am calling, first call gayi hai. So if initially I am calling, the low is 1, low is 1, high is 7. What am I doing is low plus high minus low multiplied by key. Now which element I want to search? Supposedly I want to search 55, just for example. If I want to look for 55, so what am I doing? Key minus A of low, which is the first element. So I am doing mid, that I am calculating is low, plus 7 minus 1 multiplied by 55 minus 4, which is the first element, divided by the last minus first element of the list, 65 minus 4. So I'm actually taking kitni places should I go, from where I have to search. So if I try to calculate, this comes out to be 1 plus 6 multiplied by 51 divided by 61. What is the answer? Quickly tell me. What is the answer? Quickly. This is some 0.836. I multiplied by 6. This comes out to be 1 plus 5.01 something is there. It comes out to be 6.01. So approximately the mid, since we are going to take only the integer part, mid is calculated to be 6. Can you see? Mid is calculated to be the exact element. Now I check If the searched key is equal to mid, I stop the search. If it is not equal to mid, I will search in the left half agar chota hai element, or I will search in the right half. So if you can see, interpolation search say, with this example I have found the key in the first search with this example because the list is evenly distributed. Supposedly मुझे 45 search करना है instead of 55. Supposedly I want to search 45. So this comes out to be 41 upon 61. Only this change is there, and this comes out to be approximately 4 point something something something. So the mid comes out to be fine. Once again पहली search में मुझे element मिल जाएगा 5 पे ही I will be able to find 45. This is how I perform interpolation search. The only key is calculating mid. Mid हम कैसे calculate करें? Low plus high minus low multiplied by, we are taking a average here, कि जो key हम search कर रहे हैं minus what is the difference between the searched element and the lowest element in the array, divided by the difference between the highest and the lowest in the array. So key minus low upon a of high minus a on. We are multiplying this with the total distance. So the average is multiplied and we are able to get where approximately kahan pe hame apna answer milna chahiye. So let me give you the algorithm, then we'll see the complexity which reduces to log of log n. Binary search ki complexity is log n. Here the complexity reduces to log of log n. Even after reducing the complexity, we do not use interpolation search. We use binary search. We will see why. Let us see. I hope the concept of searching is clear to all. Yes, class? Yes, class.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in case I am performing the interpolation search on an array A, which is starting from some low to high, and I have a key which I need to search within this array. This is given to me, and this is a sorted array. So what I need to do is, I am going to perform again. If I'm going to recursively call this procedure, so for the recursively call, I need to make sure that I break the recursion. So I'm breaking the recursion here. If low is greater than equal to high, then I need not perform anything. Only I need to partition if there are more than, if, then you have to return. You don't have to do anything. Else you will be performing these things. So else what you need to do is you need to calculate mid. Mid is equal to low plus high minus low multiplied by, here we are having key minus a of low divided by a of high minus a of low. That is it. We calculate mid. After calculating mid, I check if mid is, a of mid is equal to key. That means I have found my element. I should print element found. Element found. And return. Else what should I do? I should again call the search procedure for low to mid and mid plus 1 to the end. I should again call the same procedure. So I am calling this interpolation search. Else else I have to check if a of mid is greater than the key. In that case, I have to search in the lower half. Then I'm calling interpolation search for A. Lower half के लिए low remains the same. Now high becomes mid. And the key that has to be searched for. Else, again an else I am having. Interpolation search is called for A. Now low is mid plus 1. से लेके high तक, and the key is to be searched. This is all the entire algorithm is. That's all. This is how we can do the interpolation search. If we are and you can set a flag. If it is not found, you can print accordingly also. So within this search, if I try to find out the complexity, when mid is changing, when I'm trying to find the complexity, the number of times the mid will change, the complexity is of the order log of log n. It is even better than binary search complexity. The complexity even in the worst case is of the order log of log n. Since we are having it in that manner, it will be like this only. Now, the problem with interpolation search is that when I am calculating this mid, I am doing a multiplication, I am doing addition, subtraction, and I am doing a division also. So technically this takes more time than a single instruction lag rahi hai, but this single instruction is involving mathematical calculations which are a overhead. So and in binary search, I only have to do low plus end by 2. That is a simpler calculation, and even the division is by 2. Division by 2 can be implemented in computer system simply by shifting. So division by any other element के लिए उसको calculation में जाना पड़ेगा. So this is a overhead. That is why interpolation search is generally not used even after giving better complexity. Although if I am looking at only complexity, and if I can reduce overhead somehow, then interpolation search is having the complexity of the order log of log n and performs better than binary search algorithm asymptotically. Is it clear to all of you?